Here's a great way to use diminished chords when you can build up tension to get you to the chord that you need to get to. So I'm going to play this sequence here in the key of B flat major, right? And all we're doing is going from B flat, C minor, D minor to E flat major. Now we build that by building the tension and then we release it. So the first one is, all right, the B flat. Not much tension there, but now we build the tension up. After we move from the B flat major, we go to the B diminished. All right. So the B diminished gives us a tension to go up a half step up to C minor. Because most of the time, B diminished seventh wants to resolve to C minor, right? But also we have something on top, the melody. That helps as well. So we have the D, all right, build the tension, and then we release it. And now we have the release of the tension. We want to build it again. Music is just tension and release. We build tension again with the second diminished chord, all right? And now we go from this diminished chord to another minor chord. Another place you'll find diminished chords want to resolve to a minor chords. All right, and then we do it again. We end up on a D minor. I'll play this diminished chord, and I'll take this here and drop this down to a B flat. So we have B flat, A flat, and then now we have, all right, the E flat major seventh, or major ninth, whatever this is, right? Major seventh. So now what we can do is just, again, once we have that, you can groove that on any chord, right? So we start here at the 1, but we want to build the tension up, B diminished 7 to go to a C minor. So diminished to minor, diminished again, C flat, D sharp diminished, or D flat, C sharp diminished, and then we go to the D minor 7th. And we can do the same thing if we wanted to go to, say, G minor. We can build the tension up here. All right, our voice is on top, the pitch is up here, and then we end on the G minor. So this tone A leads us up to the G minor 7th. So that works with any minor chord. But we're going from, again, B flat, C minor, D minor, to E flat major, and we're just playing the notes in between. Now, many of you have been stalking my channel. You're sitting there in the shadows and you won't subscribe. Make an honest man out of me and go ahead and subscribe. And if you subscribe, you want to check out the community. There's a whole lot more that I'm building at the community, but to be a part of that, go check out the link in the description. You can download the free cheat sheet guide. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.